for the remainder of the verbs. Alright, we have querer, quis, to want, refuse if you put a no with it, just try, and quise. What is it for venir? What's the stem? V-I-N, vin, good. And meaning? To come, good. And what is the conjugation? Viniste, good. V-I-N, and then I-S-T-E, good. Okay. What about estar? Stu, good. And meaning to be, but always good to have to be with what it changes to. So estar, estuve, and the meaning to be with location, emotion, all the other reasons that go along with estar, place being your acronym to help you remember, so that you make it different than said, you're obviously other one. And el form estuvo. Okay. Andar, the stem. Undo, good. What does it mean? Walk around, wander, stroll. Page 12 tells you to go, but not to go to a specific place. And then the usted conjugation, anduvo. Good. Tener. Tu. What does it mean? Have or had in the past tense. And nosotros tuvimos. Good. Poder. Pud. P-U-D. And then what does it mean? To be able to. The alternate meanings, you manage to do something or you try to do something as well, which I realized tried is the same for querer or poder. Again, you don't have to know necessarily the alternate meanings, just the ones that we normally use. Okay. And Miguel y yo pudimos. Good. Poner changes to the U.S. Good. Pus. And to put or place. And ellos pusieron. Good. Saber. Soup. Okay. Sounds like what you eat in English instead of sup. Not what's up. What does it mean?
To know.
To know. Can also mean you found something out, like information. Also how to do something, which would be followed by a verb, which wouldn't get conjugated since the second verb in a row, no matter what tense we're talking about, that's always the rule. Second verb in a row never gets conjugated. Okay. And Ana or Marta y Ana supieron. Decir and traer both ended in J. What are the stems? B-I-J and T-R-A-J. So these two right here follow the rule where it's just E-R-O-N for the last one. Okay. Decir to say or tell, traer to bring, and Juana y tú dijeron, no I there. And then mi familia trajo. Regular conjugation there, T-R-A-J, and then O with no accent. And then I added a said at the bottom. We've already done a said before, but it does fit with this family of verbs, so we're going to include it here. Right. I said stems, H-I-C for all of them except for H-I-Z for the L-A-O said, to do or to make, and then you use the same endings as this group of verbs. Remember, again, that these are whole stem changers. It changes in every single box, not in the boot shape, not in the shoe shape, not in the basement, anything else. Okay. All right, some practice. Nosotros, what? Tuvimos que estudiar para español dos. What does that mean?
We had.
Good. Good. We had to study for español dos. What is number 2? Supo. Good. S-U-P-O. Juan supo la respuesta. He knew the answer. Number 3. Quise. Good. I wanted a ticket for Madrid. Number 4. Vinieron. Good. Number 5. Pudiste. Good. Number 6. Trajeron with no I, just T-R-A-J, E-R-O-N. And number 7. Estuviste. Good. Again, I put over here, I said we've already done, but if you filled in the box, H-I-C for all the boxes except for H-I-Z for the L-A-O did. And then your new set of endings with no accents, which we had when we learned it the first time. We knew that these two did not get accents because they're different endings. And again, if it helps you remember, technically there are AR endings with no accents for the two that don't get accents, and then the rest are ER and IR endings. Alright, let's go through and do your book page 14, exercise 15. Let's do that together, and we'll translate what it says. Any questions so far? Alright, so page 14, exercise 15. Tell me what the first answer says, or the first question. The other day.
It's not really a question.
True, yeah, no question, the first statement, I guess. So the other day. Good. Stuva is your answer, but I was where?
In the market of Chicago,
Chichicastenango.
In Guatemala.
That's the name of the market in Guatemala. Okay. Number 2, Ramon. Estuvo, good. He was there. Also, good. Number 3. Nosotros anduvimos. What do? Walked around or strolled through the market. But we could not buy anything. What would number 4 be? Good, pudimos. Okay. Then number 5, it's not that we didn't want or refuse to buy anything. What would number 5 be? One more time. Good. Quisimos. What does 6 say? It's not that we didn't want or refuse to buy anything. It's that
we weren't able to.
good. We couldn't or we weren't able to. What's that conjugation? Pudimos. Good. We couldn't because number 7. We fuimos. We went
To the market.
without a quetzal. Quetzal is the currency of Guatemala, which you can see a picture of right there on page 14 right underneath. And you can see the picture of the market right there as well. Questions so far as we put all of these together? Yeah, I guess they forgot it at home.